Today we're going to be talking about how to submit an employee expense sheet as well as how to create one. First, you're going to log into the employee web service. Once you're logged in, you will hover your mouse over the left-hand side to the category icon. Then you will go ahead and go to the expense. On this page, in order to create a new expense, you will add expense. On this page, you have a few options to fill out the columns that pertain to you and your situation. The purpose is the purpose of the expense. Is this a meals, transportation, lodging? So in this example, we're going to go ahead and type in meals. Next, you of course want to select the date that you used for this expense. The next option that it gives you is a position. Please note, you can report this expense to a position, department, location. However, your company may not use any of the following, or they may just use one. In this option, we're going to go ahead and report it to all three. Next, we're going to go ahead and click on expense category, which is going to be our option for reimbursement. Our expense type will go ahead and link up with our purpose at the top once we click on the meals. Next, it's going to ask you for the amount. On this date, how much did you spend out of your own pocket for your expense? Please also keep in mind you can add notes and or receipt attachments. However, in order to add a receipt attachment, you must first save this expense sheet and then go in and add your attachment. Once your expense is saved, you are then able to go back in and add a receipt attachment if you choose. You can also submit to your department and or location. This is your expense dashboard. You will be able to see all of the expenses that you have entered for the expense period that you've created, where you are submitting them to, and the status of the expense. You will be able to also see the ones that are still open, the ones that you've submitted to a department and or location, and the ones that have been approved and in payroll.